Okay, this is the iPhone 5's gold-plated outside. Okay, very smooth. And we're going to torture test this iPhone. As you can see, there's a complete package here. This is the charger. Here. Oh, you're going to put there. And what's that? Headset. It's hard to unbox the headset because it's original. Okay, gotta check on. Okay, as you can see, this iPhone 5 will scratch proof. We're going to test it whether it's scratch
Wala siyang
proof.
manual?
Yes, I'm going to bagsak it.
Wala na tong manual? No?
There is no manual because this is the original. Oh, as you can see, this is a lightning cable.
Meron.
Yan. Oh, very smooth and very nice.
Audio.
But it's designs like
Pang sukpok, oh.
yeah, designs like gay because it's white.
Bato ka dito.
Okay. Ilang gig to, sir?
Dapat nagtagalog ka.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, very smooth. Power on. Okay, ubos na memory.
Anong number nito?
LT. As you can see, the one is LT. Ano? Yun yung may-ari, oh.
Okay.
Hindi siya nag-auto-focus ng lintik na ito.
Hindi, madilim kasi. Okay.
Okay, we're going to switch on.
Ang gaan lang.
I'm going to get my gun and
Yan. Okay.
okay, the brand new iPhone 5s gay version. What's it?
Sa kuwan ba?
Hola. Why it's Hola?
Hello.
Hello. Okay, as you can see, the SIM card is LT. You can see there. Oh, ayaw ayaw mag-focus Oh, and then this is the number, serial number. Ano number mo, sir?
Wala nga, hindi ka nakalagay.
Ay, puta. Peki. Nagtipid sila, oh. Manipis. Okay. As usual, ganun din. Parehas din.
Okay.
Yung pinalagay mo na number, yung dati mo.
Hindi, iba. Kaya hindi ko alam eh. Wala rin siyang PUK.
We're going to connect the Wi-Fi.
Wala rin siyang PUK.
May Wi-Fi nga, wala internet.
Wala pang service, oh. Hindi pa gumagana.